Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create an Amazon virtual assistant gig on Fiverr. It's really easy, so please follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So, we are going to open Fiverr on our Google Chrome. So, as you can see, this is the seller dashboard of our account. So, to create a gig, we are going to click on gigs, which is after orders. So, please click on that. And then click on create a new gig option. It will direct you to where we have to make our gig. So please click on create a new gig right here. It directed us to a new page where we have to make our gig. So we have to complete 6 steps to establish our gig. So we are going to go step by step. First of all, we have to give our gig a title. So we will give our title right here. Here we go. Fiverr actually recommends that shorter titles will attract more buyers, but there is a limit of 80 words. So please keep that in mind. So after we give our gig a title, we have to select a category. So please select business, which is at the last, so just business, and then we are going to click on e-commerce management, not virtual assistant. We are going to click on e-commerce management. After that, we can see that we have a bunch of options right here. So service type, it's recommended, so we are going to click on any one you want. It's recommended. If you don't want, it's fine. So we are going to click on the industry we are working on, which is e-commerce, the platform, Amazon of course, or you can select any platform you're working on, and the language. So you can select multiple language. I think there's a limit, but it's not showing. I'm going to choose English. Here we go. So we have to give our search tags, which means if a buyer wants to see your gig, we have to give, it's like keywords, so we will give our search tags right here. So we gave our options like our keywords, which is error 5665, Amazon FBA assistant, etc. You can give up to 5 tags. You cannot give more than that, so please keep that in mind. So we are just going to click on save and continue right here. So after clicking on save and continue, we are directed to a new page where we have to give our pricing. So there is 3 packages. If you don't have this option, just click on create packages or offer packages. Then you will get this option. So we have to name our packages, then describe the details, delivery time, then the options you will provide. So I'm just going to give some random description of my own. You can give your description about how you will give your customer what they want or what's your offering. So I'm just going to fill up this information. So I filled up my information. So it kind of depends on the person. Like if you want to give additional fees or add extra services, it's up to you. Like you can determine the price, you can select the options right here, like inventory management. If you don't want to give it, just deselect it. So you can, it's kind of depends on you actually. you can also add extra services. So I'm not going to add that, so I'm just going to click on save and continue. So after we clicked on save and continue, we are here at description and frequently asked question. We have to give our description about our gigs. So you can write whatever you want about, and 1,200 characters is the limit, guys. So please keep that in mind, and you can use easy words so that everybody can interact with your gig. So I'm just going to give my description about my gig. So I gave the description of my gig. It says 849, so it is under the limit. So just scroll down, save and continue. Now we have to give the requirements, like frequently asked questions. So we are going to add a question, like it is required, like at least one question. So for example, I will give, please give me a brief description about your requirements. So just click on add right here. You can add more questions if you want. I'm just going to give one question. So, so now we have to give some images of our work. Like we can add one video and up to 3 images. So we are just going to give our image. You can add your own works image, like the data or the sourcing pictures that you worked on as an example. You can just add that. I added 2 images. You can add up 1 video. So it's your wish, and then click on save and continue. After that, it's like very easy. You just have to click on publish, or if you have a test like this one, you can just take the test and click on publish gig. In some regions there's not this option of taking a test or verification, and if you're from somewhere where you have to give this type of test, then just give this test and then click on publish gig. So I hope you made your own Amazon virtual assistant gig on Fiverr, and thank you for watching.